Here we are dancing in our
Marbella dress.
Marbella dress.
Oh, Marbella or Marbella, whichever way you want to pronounce it.
I can't get the thing.
It's just such a cute dress to wear.
It is.
It's super light.
It's 100% cotton. It's the same fabric that we've used for the little short sleeve shirt, and we've done it in this really gorgeous ruffle dress, which took a lot of work to get the panels right.
We made this pattern so many times.
How many times do you think?
Probably 6.
6 times we tried to get this
to
going.
get the tiered panels working properly and turning around. But I think we nailed it.
I think we nailed it. So, very easy cotton dress. I've got it over the Cali skirt in the navy Cupro. Alexia's got a little slip on underneath because it's got a semi-sheer quality to it.
Yeah, it's slightly sheer.
Yeah.
But it looks great. It washes really well being 100% cotton. We always love spots. Every season we're just like, can we do more spots?
More spot.
But beautiful. Easy to wear, easy to travel with. And we love it. I'm going to be wearing this
All summer long.
all summer long.
Marbella.
Over pants too.
Over pants.
Why not?
I like it. See you soon.